And we do that like so. Using the common difference formula, which is equal to A1 n minus 1 d, where A1 is the first term, d is the common difference, we can actually figure out if this value is 96, so Tn is 96, where does it lie? For what n does it lie in this sequence? And that is useful because if we know where it lies, we will know where b lies. The first term in the quadratic sequence, where it lies of the two values we're trying to find. And if we know where that value lies in the quadratic sequence, we can then use our quadratic formula we derived to figure out its value. So you can see how we're working with an entirely new sequence, that is a common difference sequence, to find some information about the quadratic sequence. So let's do that. 96 will be equal to minus 6 plus. We're trying to find where it lies, so n is the unknown, and 2 is the common difference. 96 plus 6 is equal to 2n minus 2. I don't have my calculator, but 96... that should be 52. Yes, I think it is. Yes, it is 52. So we know that 96 in this sequence lies at the 52nd term. And that is significant because now, if I made b and x the two terms we're trying to find, we now know that if this is the 52nd term in the common difference sequence, this is also the 52nd term. So let's find its value using this formula. Because that is ultimately what we're trying to do. So let's do that. Tn is what we're trying to solve. We know it's the 52nd term squared minus 9, 52 plus 7. We punch this all on our calculator. I'm going to get one now because I do need it now. Alright, 52 squared minus 9 times 52 plus 7. And I get 2, 2, 4, 3. Now that is the 52nd term. But wait, remember they wanted two terms. So they want also x. So let's find x. We know x will be 52 plus 1. That's the 53rd term. So let's do that. If we punch that all on our calculator, we will get minus 9 2339. And there you have it. These are the two terms we were trying to find. So just to reiterate, we were trying to find two terms in the quadratic sequence where we didn't know where they laid in the sequence. We didn't know for what n they were. But what they did tell us is their difference was 96. So we had just formulated, with using that knowledge, a new sequence that looked like this. Minus 6, minus 4, minus 2, and then a bunch of terms in the middle, and then 96. So if we could find where 96 laid in this sequence, we could find where b laid in the quadratic sequence, and then use our formula we derived in the previous question to find its value and then the next term after that's value, which was T53, and giving us 2339 and 2243. And that is the problem solved.